How do you find followers who want to engage with you on Twitter? If you're new to Twitter, building your audience can feel overwhelming. The good news is that when it comes to Twitter followers, it's all about quality, not quantity. Quality followers care about what you offer and interact with your content in a consistent way. They're the ones who comment on your tweets, offer suggestions, or ask you to bring back a specific product. It's important to engage with these quality followers. The relationships you build with them are likely to be a great foundation for your business. To get started, here are 5 things you can do now to begin growing your followers today. First and foremost, reply to content as much as you post original tweets, or at least almost as much. Why? Because if you're just beginning to leverage Twitter for your business, your main objective should be to build your community of followers and establish yourself in the conversations that are happening around you. Keep the replies authentic and genuine, and share comments that contribute to the overall conversation. Next tip, engage with your followers. But what's the best way to engage? To start, visit your timeline and interact with tweets about your company. Establishing a good dialogue in the comments can lead to quality followers, especially when they see you're active and responsive. A great example of engagement comes from Cute Camera Company, an independent film shop from Texas. Check out the way they show appreciation to a follower spreading the word about their business. You can also learn about authentic engagement from Amoeba Music. When customers alerted Amoeba to an issue entering a contest, the company went above and beyond to offer a solution, all within Twitter. Lastly, take a look at the way Sweetgreen and GT's Living Food leverage a follower's comment to show their gratitude. The businesses even added some personalization to create a stronger connection with their audience. As these examples skillfully demonstrate, having engaged followers opens doors to building your community. That leads us to our third tip. Engaged followers lead to more exposure. When you build a following of quality, engaged followers, you can expect to see them replying to your tweets and creating more meaningful conversations. Not only do these conversations strengthen your business's timeline, but the exchanges will also appear on your followers' timelines for their own followers to see. That means even more exposure for your business. A great example of this comes from Grammarly. Grammarly deftly used a follower's mention and the conversation it generated to assist a new user in installing the Grammarly app. The skillful strategy gained Grammarly a customer, while simultaneously amplifying Grammarly's presence on their followers' timeline. One post accomplished 2 goals. Tip number 4 is all about taking the conversation from Twitter into real life. When you build communities off-platform, it can actually lead to new followers on the platform. For instance, if you promote an event taking place at your shop, customers might tweet about their IRL experiences, thereby sharing your business with their followers. A Dutch Bros coffee location did this very thing when they leveraged an in-store event for Dutch Love Day to raise money and awareness for local food banks. Their followers enthusiastically took to Twitter to help spread the word. Our final tip is something all brands need to hear. Not every tweet needs to contain a link or a call to action. Creating content just to connect with your community can also deliver long-term positive impacts for your success on Twitter. Look at how Classic Shirts, a soccer brand specializing in vintage jerseys, shared a rare jacket design. This tweet was a great reminder that, at the end of the day, Classic Shirts are fans too, just like their followers. By implementing these 5 useful tips, you can take your first steps towards building a community of engaged followers. And remember, while it might take some time to start seeing results, the payoff can be huge. Ready to learn more? Visit business.twitter.com for more resources to help grow your business on Twitter.